They are saying the size of bacteria is 1 micro. Okay, so I hope you all know कि एक माइक्रो का वैल्यू कितना होता है. Yes, do you? 1 माइक्रो जो है, forget about that one also, why to put that one. So माइक्रो का जो वैल्यू है ना वो कितना है बच्चा? It is 10 raised to power minus 6. Understood? सो वॉट एवर योर रिस्पेक्टिव यूनिट इज़ देयर, उसके पहले एक प्रिफिक्स में वैल्यू होती है, माइक्रो, मिली एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर देयर. सो माइक्रो का मतलब है 10 raised to power minus 6. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज गिवन. सो दे आर सीइंग द साइज ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. देयर इज एनी बैक्टीरिया जिसका साइज जो है वो गिवन है. तो साइज उसका कितना है? 1 माइक्रो है. So you understood the meaning of 1 micro. 1 micro means 1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6. Okay, ये उसकी size है. This is something it is given. Further mention किया है find the number of bacteria. तो तुमको क्या figure out करना है? तुमको figure out करना है number of bacteria. You need to figure out. That means ये हमको क्या करना है? Find करना है. इन 1 मीटर लेंथ. तो यहाँ पे कुछ लेंथ करके भी प्रोवाइड किया है. एंड हाउ मच इट इज़? 1 मीटर. अंडरस्टूड? सो चलो लेट्स कम अप विद द सोल्यूशन. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन. इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक दैट कि मेरे पास कुछ एक रिस्पेक्टिव 1 मीटर का लेंथ है एंड देर इज़ अ स्पेसिफिक साइज ऑफ बैक्टीरिया इज गिवन. सो दे आर सिंपली आस्किंग यू कि दैट हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ बैक्टीरिया वी कैन प्लेस ओवर दैट. Okay, moving further, here we go. Now, so can we say that, like it's a basic journal knowledge type, kind of maths से related, you can say this one. अगर मुझे number of bacteria चाहिए, okay, if I need to find out the number of bacteria, whatever specific length is there, I'll divide by its size. This is what you do na in maths. Yes. Next thing. So length is how much? It is just 1 meter. And one more thing, while solving, like जब हम solve कर रहे, do not bring your units in between. It will simply create it will increase the complexity of that particular numericals. So do not write the units while solving. Just put the unit at the last. Okay, वो करना है. Anyways, further size जो है 1 into 10 raised to power minus 6 लिखो या फिर simply 10 raised to power minus 6 लिखो. Now you might seems like oh how to divide this. Okay, so divide नहीं करना है बच्चा. Whenever there is a order वाला number reciprocal में जा रहा है ऐसा कुछ, so you see this, इसके जो power है इस पर -6 है. तो मैं अगर इसको डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमरेटर में भेजूंगी तो जो पावर है उसकी साइन चेंज हो जाती है. इंस्टेड ऑफ 10 raised to power minus 6 आई विल बी राइटिंग 10 raised to power 6. अंडरस्टूड? You understood the did you come to know what is the meaning of 10 raised to power minus 6? It means that 10 followed by how many zeros? 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So that means 10 lakhs of bacteria will be come in that 1 meter length. But anyways, you're not supposed to write in such a manner. ये जो format है ना ये वाला, this is not recommended. You'll give your answer in this way only. And since they have asked you number of bacteria, it is kind of unit. So you will not give this by any specific what we say. It won't be followed by any specific unit. So you just give the answer as therefore number of bacteria is equal to 10 raised to power 6, and but obviously you can highlight your answer, so that basically gives clarity to whoever the respective teacher is there. Yeah, thank you. So I hope solution was clear. If in case if you have any doubt, so you can reach to us. Thank you.